Hi, little yogis. I'm so happy you're here. Let's move, stretch, and feel amazing together. Subscribe so you never miss the fun. Ready? Let's go. Welcome to Yoga for Flexibility with Princess Rapunzel. Lotus pose. Sit cross-legged on the floor. Keep your back straight and tall. Rest your hands on your knees and take a slow breath. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job. Chair pose. Stand with your feet together. Bend your knees like you are sitting on a chair. Lift your arms up high and stay strong. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So proud of you. Side stretch, left pose. Stand with your feet apart. Lift your right arm up high. Lean gently to the left and fill the stretch. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You're doing awesome. Now do the same on the right side. Lift your left arm up high. Lean gently to the right and stretch. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. Now, monkey pose. Slide one leg forward and one leg back. Keep your hands on the floor for balance. Sit tall and fill the stretch. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Perfect. Garland pose. Squat down with your feet flat on the floor. Keep your heels on the ground. Bring your hands together at your chest and sit tall. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Keep going. Candle pose. Lie on your back on the floor. Lift your legs up to the sky. Hold your hips with your hands and stay tall. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice work. Next one, Cobra pose. Lie on your tummy, place your hands under your shoulders, push up your chest, and look up like a cobra. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That was perfect. Tree pose. Stand tall on one foot. Place your other foot on your leg. Bring your hands together and balance like a tree. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very good. Plow pose. Lie on your back. Lift your legs over your head. Touch your toes to the floor behind you. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good stretch. Camel pose. Kneel on the floor. Place your hands on your heels. Push your chest up and look up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That was amazing. Seated, side bend pose. Sit cross-legged on the floor. Place one hand on the ground. Lift your other arm up and bend to the side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You're doing great. Seated, side bend. Both other side. Stay sitting cross-legged. Place your other hand on the ground. Lift your arm up and bend to the other side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Excellent. Downward dog pose. Place your hands on the floor. Lift your hips up high. Keep your legs straight and look at your feet. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's perfect. Boat pose. Sit on the floor. Lift your legs up, stretch your arms forward, and balance like a boat. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Keep breathing and do the cat pose. Get on your hands and knees. Round your back like a cat. Look down and feel the stretch. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. And next, bow pose. Lie on your tummy, bend your knees, and hold your feet. Lift your chest up like a bow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great job. Gate pose. Kneel on one knee. Stretch your other leg to the side. Lift one arm up and lean over your leg. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Almost there. Now switch to the other side. Kneel on the other knee. Stretch your leg out and lean over. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great work today. And now finish with butterfly pose. Sit on the floor. Bring the soles of your feet together. Hold your feet and sit tall like a butterfly. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Fantastic job. You moved, stretched, and breathed so beautifully today. If you had fun, don't forget to tap the like button and subscribe so you won't miss our next yoga adventure. See you!